In the last session we discussed exercise 5 up to 2 questions. Now see the third question. In the third question they have given 2 bits. In the first I will do it and the second one you can do it as a homework. What is the first question given here? Express 10 centimeters in meter and kilometer. They have given 10 centimeters. You need to convert this 10 centimeters into the meters and into the kilometers. Now you need to know the conversions, and we already discussed in the before session the conversions. And here what is given 10 centimeters. You need to express this one in meters. So you need to write what is the relation between the meter and the centimeter. And you know that 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. Then what is the value of 1 centimeter in terms of the meter? Yesterday we have discussed we need to write the reciprocal of this number, so which is 1 by 100 meters. Now we have expressed this centimeters into the meters. Now what they ask here, if you have given 10 centimeters, here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Then what is the value of 10 centimeters? Just you need to multiply 10 with 1 by 100. So write it here 10 into 1 by 100 meters. So here you know that this 0 will get cancelled. What is left out here? 1 by 10 meters, which is nothing but 0.1 meters. So just you need to write the relation between these two, and after that you need to convert it. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then what is the value of 1 centimeter in terms of the meter? Just write the reciprocal, which is 1 by 100. You know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Then what is the value of 10 centimeters? Just multiply with 10, so that you are getting 0.1 meters. So we have expressed 10 centimeters into the form of the meters. Now you need to take this one and you need to express in the form of the kilometers. So write it here. What is the value of 1 kilometer? And you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. But in the question they have given in the form of the centimeters. Again you need to convert this one. So convert here 1000 into, you know that what is the value of 1 meter, which is nothing but 100 centimeters. So write it here 100 centimeters. Now what is the value of 1 kilometer, which is 1. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is nothing but 1 lakh centimeters. So we have expressed kilometer into the centimeters. Since we need to know 1 centimeter, how do you write? Just you need to write the reciprocal of this number. So write it, which is kilometers. Now we have expressed and we made the relation between the centimeters and the kilometers, and we got here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 1 lakh kilometers. Now what is the value of 10 centimeters? Just you need to multiply these two values. So what you get? 10 centimeters is nothing but 10 into 1 by 1 lakh. 5 zeros kilometers, right? So here this one and this one will get cancelled, and what is left out here? You will have here 10 centimeters is equal to 1 by, how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Kilometers. Now how you can write this one? Here you need to write the numerator first. So write it here, numerator, which is 1. Now how many zeros are there in the denominator? You need to count it. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to go to the 4 steps to the right and keep the decimal point there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here keep the decimal point, which is kilometers. This is the value of 10 centimeters in the form of the kilometers. Again what they have given, they asked to express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. So first you need to write the relation between the centimeters and the meters and centimeters and kilometers. What we know, first write it. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then what is the value of 1 centimeter, which is a reciprocal, which is 1 by 100 meters. Since we got the relationship between the centimeters and the meters, you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Now what is the value of 10 centimeters? Just multiply with 10, so that you are getting 0.1 meters. Similarly, we took the relation between the kilometers and the meters. All we know, which is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. But here we need to make a relation between centimeters and the kilometers. So again convert this meters into centimeters. So 100 centimeters. Now we got the relation between kilometers and centimeters, and after that we have calculated, we got this answer. Now in the third one, the second question, you can do it in the same way, that is your homework. Now see the fourth question. You can do the homework exercise 5. In that, the third question, second bit. Now see the fourth question. Here also they have given the question in the grams. You need to convert that one into the kilograms. In that, the fourth question they have given here. First one in that 190 grams. You need to convert into the kilograms. That means you need to express this one into the kilograms, so that you need to write the relationship between the kilograms and the grams. And we all know that 1 kilogram is nothing but the 1000 grams. Right? Now, what is 1 gram? Write the reciprocal, which is 1 by 1000 kilograms. Now here, you know the relation between the grams and the kilograms. Here 1 gram is nothing but 1 by 1000 kilograms. Then what is the value of 190 kilograms? Just multiply with 190. So what is the value of 190 kilograms, which is nothing but 190 into 1 by 1000 kilograms. Now here this 0 will get cancelled. You will left out with 19 by 100 kilograms. Now write the number, which is 19 by 1, write it 19. Now you need to check how many zeros in the denominator, 2 zeros. So at this point count 2 numbers, 1, 2, keep it here decimal point, here 0, which is 0.19 kilograms. Like this you need to convert. Just if you know the conversions, you can do all these problems. In that, second question is similar to that of the first question. You can do it in the fourth question, second one. Now in the fourth question, third one, I will do it here. What is they have given here, which is in the third one, 44 kg 80 grams, and you need to convert this one into the kilograms. Here already this one is in the form of the kilograms. You need to convert this one into the kilograms. Again, write what you know here, write it conversion, which is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Right? Then what is 1 gram, which is nothing but 1 by 1000 kilograms. Now here take the number what they have given, 44 kg and 80 grams. Right? This one you can write it as 44 kg. What is 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 grams. Then what is the value of 80 grams? You need to multiply 80 with 1 by 1000. So multiply it here. So write it here plus 80 into 1 by 1000 kilograms. It is in the form of kilograms. We have converted these grams into the kilograms. Now what you get here, this is 44 plus here 1010 will get cancelled, and write the number 8 into 8, which is 8. Now check the denominator, how many zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So count 2 numbers from the right. So 1. Here no number is there, keep it 0. 1, 2 number before you need to keep here decimal point, which is nothing but 0.08 kgs. Now add it, what you get, 44.08 kg. So we have converted this one into the kilograms. Now see the fifth question in this. Here what is the fifth question given here? Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. We are already discussed how to expand if you have given a decimal number. See that one. So here fifth question. In that the first question they have given 55.5. The remaining questions you can do it in the same way. I will explain here. 5 questions are given. In that I will explain 2 questions. Remaining 3 you can do it. In that the first question they ask to expand this decimal number. You all know how to expand if you have given a number. How do you expand? Just you need to separate this decimal point. Left of the decimal point you need to take the multiples of 10, and right of the decimal point number you need to take the division of the 10. So write it here. It is 1's place and it is 10's place. It is what? 1 by 10th place. Right? So expand it. How do you expand? Just you need to multiply the place value to the given digit number. So write it here. 5 into 10 plus again 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10. Like that you need to expand. Now see the third question in this. Second question you can do it in the same way. The fifth question you can do the second one. Now see the third one. What is given here? 303 303.03. This one you have given. You need to expand this one. So left to the decimal point you need to take the multiples of 10. Write it here. Ones, tens and hundreds. And right to the decimal point you have to take the division of 10, which is 1 by 10th place and 1 by 100th place. Now just multiply the place value to the digit number. So here 3 into here 100 plus 0 into 10, which is the tens place, and after that 1's place, which is 3 into 1, plus here 0 into 1 by 10. So write it here 0 into 1 by 10 plus what is the next digit here? 3. What is the place value, which is 1 by 100? So multiply it. What you get here? 3 into 1 by 100. Like this you need to expand the given decimal number. 2 more questions are given in this that you can do in the same way here, which is the 4th and the 5th questions. Now see the 6th question in this. Just you need to write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. So here in that what is the first question given here? Sixth question. First one 3.46. Here you need to write the place value of 3 in the following decimal number. That means just you need to write the place value of 3. In this, what is the place value of 3? Which is 1. So write it here. The place value of 3 in 3.46 is 3 into 1, which is 3. Right? What is the place value here? Which is 3. Now here, see the second question in this 32.46. What is the place value of 3 in this case? Which which place value? Which is 10th place. So write it here. The place value of 3 in 32.46 is, what is that one? 3 into 10, which is the 10th place, which is 30. This is the place value. Now see the third question here in this 7.43. So the third one, which is 7.43. What is the place value here? Since we are going to the right side of the decimal point, you need to take the division of the 10. So what is the place value here? The place value of 3 in 7.43 is 3 into, what is the place value here? This is 1 by 10th place and this is 1 by 100th place. So multiply it. 3 into 1 by 100. You know that how do you multiply the whole number and a fraction? Just you need to multiply the numerators. What is the value of 3 into 1, which is 3 by 100. Now write the numerator here. Check in the denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So move 2 steps to the right. So 1, 2. Since here only one number is there, keep it 0, 0.03. Now in this 2 more questions are given in the 6th question that you can do it as an homework. In that the 6th one, 4th question and the 5th question. This one you can do it as an homework here. And what we have discussed here, if you have given any number, how do you write the place value of a given number? Just you need to multiply the given number to its place value. And after that, few more questions are there in this exercise that we are going to discuss in the later session.